couple of things govern our ladders. NFPA 1931, which is the manufacturing of fire department ground service ladder. NFPA 1931, which is a use, maintenance, service testing of in-service fire department ground ladders. This is a dual safety 24 foot extension ladder. This ladder is made of a 6160 T6 aluminum, weighing approximately 72 pounds. This ladder is rated for 750 pounds with a 4-to-1 safety factor. That 4-to-1 safety factor being described as a maximum of 3,000 pounds, being 3 firefighters with full equipment, 2 firefighters with full equipment, and the save 2 firefighters with full equipment and a charged hose. This is a solid beam channel rail, tongue and groove construction. So let's talk about the ladder and some of its measurements. When the ladder is not extended, it measures 14 2 3/4. 14 2 3/4. You have a beam to beam of, on the actual bed section, a beam to beam of 21 3/4, and on the fly 19 inches. When this ladder is fully extended, it measures 24 feet and 6 inches. The beams are 3 1/4, and it has a banking thickness of 5.375. A banking thickness of 5.375. Each portion of the ladder has 12 rungs total, each rung being 1 1/4 inches in diameter with a 0.065 thickness, internal diameter thickness. Each rung is attached to the beams through a weld and expansion process that provides 95% of the ladder strength. The remaining 5 coming from the rung plates and the 4 rivets. Down the line here, we got a couple components of the ladder that we need to look at. Starting at the bottom, as you will see, the butt spurs. The butt spurs are notched. They are notched. Moving on, you have your halyard. Our halyard is a half inch CMC Kermantle rope. Half-inch Kermantle rope. This rope is rated at a minimum breaking strength of 825 pounds, which should only require 75 pounds of minimum force to pull and extend the actual fly. Looking at our housing, within our housing we have our hook, our finger, our spring, 3 shoulder bolts and 2 mounting bolts, and an actual cover. Here we have our ladder stops. Okay, the ladder stops correspond to the ladder stops on the top, which stops the ladder from fully from overextension. Here we have our pulley. Our pulley is single sheath.